Dave knows how.
Well, I guess that's probably the best part about having a tractor, is being able to do things for your neighbors. And so just being over there at Stacy's house and helping her with some trees that had suffered some ice damage over the winter. This past winter we had a lot of ice, and she had a couple birch trees, suffered a lot of damage, so took care of that. We may go back in a later video and actually take the backhoe over there and dig up that birch tree and get it out of there completely. I'm not sure. We'll just kind of see how it goes. I'm still kind of just testing the tractor out to see how it's going to do. Just, you know, really pretty much got it back together and kind of, you know, slowly putting it through its paces and making sure we don't have any issues or hear any funny noises or anything like that. So for you guys that are curious, we did have one nut left over. It's not a very big nut. It's I don't know exactly what size it is. I want to say it's probably a 10mm thread, maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Don't know where it went. Don't know where it came from. But, you know, it's a relatively small nut, so it probably is not something that without this nut, the whole tractor is going to fall in half. At least I hope not. But I'd say, you know, after tearing this thing completely down like I did and putting it back together, to have that one nut left over and that's it, that's probably pretty good considering the fact that I'm not a mechanic. Never claimed to be. In fact, I kind of do not even like working on this stuff. But, you know, hey, when you're financially challenged like I am, you have to learn to do things you can't afford to pay somebody else to do. So that's, you know, that's just the way it goes. It's part of it. It's not something I'm not used to. It's, you know, I've been that way all my life. You know, plus I have major trust issues. I just don't trust anybody to work on my equipment. It's very few people that I would trust to work on my tractor, my automobile. It was the same way with my boat. I would not let anybody hardly work on my boat at all. I might would take a part off and take it to somebody and have them repair it and then take it back and you know, put it back myself. But yeah, I'm pretty funny about that stuff. Anyway, I'm super excited to have the tractor back together. I'm just so glad that this whole thing is over, and well, at least I hope it's over. Knock on wood. I hope we don't have any more issues. And you know, we can just go on and enjoy some quality tractor time, tractor therapy, and be happy. So anyway, I guess that's it for this video. Just kind of wanted to give you guys an update, let you know the tractor is back together. She's running and she seems to be fine. We'll, in the next couple of weeks, we'll be checking it over and, you know, rechecking bolt torque and all that kind of stuff, I guess, and making sure everything is still up to par like it's supposed to be. And I'll fill you in on how that is and whatnot, and we'll just kind of go from there. There is some footage that I did with the tractor apart that may include in a future video. We'll just kind of have to see how that goes. But so if you come across a future video and the tractor's disassembled, hopefully it's because I'm just using some of that footage for a video at that time. So anyway, gonna go put the chainsaw away and call it a day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.